Hello everyone and welcome to my slow English video. The biggest mistake English learners make. Today I want to talk about the biggest mistake that almost every English learner makes. Many people think that learning English is about learning more words. And honestly, I made this mistake too. So every day they memorize 20 or 30 new words. After 1 month, they know 100 words. But when someone asks a simple question in English, they can't answer. But why? Why does this happen? Because knowing words isn't the same association words. Imagine this. You buy 1,000 Lego pieces. Does that mean you can build a beautiful house? No. You need to know how the pieces fit together. English works the same way. Words are the pieces. Sentences are house. Many students spend years collecting vocabulary, but they never practice speaking. Then they say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Don't worry, you're not alone. Instead, learning 20 new words every day, learning words and use them in the different sentence, say the sentences out loud, write them down, repeat them tomorrow. Your brain remembers information much better than you actually use it. Another mistake is waiting to become perfect. Even native English speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Think about a child. A child doesn't wait until they know every grammar rule. They simply start talking. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. If you never make mistake, you're probably not challenging yourself. How much English do you hear every day? Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve. You don't have to understand every word. Just keep listening. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is not a race. Even 15 minutes every day is better than studying 3 hours once a week. One day you'll realize that you understand more, speak with more confidence, and enjoy English much more. And you'll remember this comment the day you decided to keep going instead of give up. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video.